Good evening, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing the back side of the headliner, and I'm going to go ahead and put the headliner inside of the car. I wasn't going to make a video, but I decided to go ahead and do it since it was raining outside earlier, and the headliner I think would be enough to make a long enough video by itself. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and flip this headliner over so I can trim it and glue the extra fabric on the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that flipped over right now, and then I'll start back recording. Okay, so I trimmed the headliner material off, and now what I'm doing is just spraying glue around the edges and folding a little bit back. And that's what I'm gonna do all the way around it. And once I get that all done, if it stops raining, maybe I'll get a chance to put it in the car, but we'll see. Okay, got my holes cut out, and for the most part I got the extra pieces of vinyl folded, extra pieces of material folded back. And I put the GTO near the garage, so it's not raining anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can go ahead and get this top in there. So I guess I'll set up the time lapse so you can kind of see me put it in. I do not know where my GoPro is, so I'm gonna have to time lapse from using my phone. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. Okay, I got the headliner in, as you can see. Looks good. What I did, so what you might not want to do is when tightening these side pieces, do not tighten them too tight. because I tightened this one too tight and it snapped the plastic piece away from it. So therefore it won't get tight. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to epoxy that back or something to get it to go on there. So, but other than that, headliner's in. Everything looks good. Let's see if I can show you from here. All right. My car has been parked here for maybe an hour and a half. And look at all the stuff on my hood. I hate squirrels. That's the little fucker that did it right there. Right. Can't see it. Right there. Alright, so I just finished putting the headliner in. You see, it wasn't that bad. I originally wasn't going to do a video of it, but I decided to do a video because it's the amount of time that it takes me to actually put it in was about the same amount of time it took me to take it out and cover it. So I just went on and made a video of putting it back in. There's a couple of things that I struggled with, but you can get it. Also, I tightened one of the side bolts too tight over on the passenger side, and it broke the plastic piece off the clip, but I actually found a way to fix that. So I got that done, and it looks good, so everything's back good to go. So with the GTO, I still got a couple more things that I need to do, but it should be good now. So expect me to start driving it a little bit more. So I need to get the air conditioning stuff hooked up in it. So I'm waiting on a compressor. I got everything else, but I just need a compressor. So once I get that, then I'll put the air conditioning on it. But that won't happen before the fall get here and the cold weather. So expect me to drive the GTO a little bit more. All right. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't, and share these videos. There's not a lot of GTO videos when it comes to doing stuff like this. So share this video, and I'll see you in the next video.